How to remove someone from Facebook Messenger group chat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Removing someone from Facebook Messenger group chat is a very easy process. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you need is the Messenger application on your device, be it Android, iPhone or iPad. If you don't have this application, you can get it from Play Store or App Store. Simply search the Messenger app and then download this application on your device. Once you have opened it, you first want to log into your account. After logging in, this will be your interface. Here on the chat section, you will be able to find all of your current conversations. If you want to remove someone from your Facebook Messenger group chat, the first thing is to open that group chat. Once you have opened the conversation, tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you have different options. You want to tap on the See Members option, which is under the chat info section. Once you tap on it, you will be able to find all of your current members of your group. Tap on the admins to check out your admins. Now, if you want to remove someone, all you have to do is tap on that member name. Here, a pop-up will appear. You have different options such as edit nickname, invite as admin, block, or remove from group chat. If you only want to block that person, you can tap on the block option here. However, if you want to completely remove that member from the group chat, tap on Remove from Group Chat option. And as you can see, that member has been successfully removed from your Facebook Messenger group chat. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.